Excuse me? Huh? Oh. Thanks. So, how can I help you? Oh. Did you ever find Friday? Wow. Good memory. Are you kidding? Your dog's name is Friday. You moved here a couple of months ago, and you're going to Thomas Jefferson in the fall. Your name is Andy. You never said your brother's name, and I don't mean to be judgmental, but those are the same jeans and shoes you were wearing the other day. My teacher said I have a photographic memory. I actually remember being born. It was amazing.
That's cool. So where's the dog food?
I forgot.
Oh, okay.
We'll start around the corner.
Okay.